Good morning. Good Thursday morning, class. I hope everyone is getting used to the new schedule. We are now having to turn in attendance for our Zoom classes. So every teacher will be turning in attendance beginning today. Please make sure you log in 5 minutes before your scheduled Zoom room. If you have not turned in your rainforest animal graphic organizer, please have it completed and submitted by the end of the day. Day 2 graphic organizer will be sent as well this morning so that we are ready to move on to this second organizer. This should be completed by Monday afternoon. For math today, we will review and take a quiz on Seesaw during our Zoom session. So make sure you check your activities and we will see you at 9:50.